So in this going video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any PDF page size to A4 format. Basically, sometimes we maybe have some defined types of pages, but that we all need in A4 size of the page of the PDF. So in this video, I'm going to show you, and this is a free tool. You can do it with just having internet connection. So this is the link pdf2go.com/resize pdf, and once you go to this page, you will see this option. Choose a aspect ratio, or you can set custom page size also here. So this is the setting. So for my example, I'm going to choose this A4 standard size. Now I'm going to choose this one. Now I'm going to select this is a defined aspect ratio page, and once I convert it, you will see the result how it looks. So this is the a mark sheet that I am working with for application to higher studies. So our file uploading complete. Now we can just click on start. So as you can see, it will bring me on the next page, and now it will make this PDF to A4 size, and I can just download it from here. So this is the download, and my file is complete. And if I open it right now, you can see all the pages have been converted into A4 sizes. And if you see that on the top and bottom there is a white space, this is because the page was not in A4 format, but once I converted it, it add some spaces on the bottom and top to make it the aspect ratio of A4 size. So this is the way how you can convert any page size to A4 format for PDF. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.